Chicken curry. A main dish from Fiji. Serves 2. You will need 19 ingredients. Step 1. Chop chicken to bite-sized pieces, set aside. Step 2. In a medium-sized pot, heat up olive oil, add onions, seeds, cinnamon stick and curry leaves. Stir and cook for a minute, then add the minced garlic together with turmeric and curry powder or paste. Step 3. Stir and cook for a minute, add chicken and salt. Stir and cover. Reduce heat to medium. Stir every 10 minutes or so. Step 4. After 15 minutes, add tomato. If the chicken sticks to the pan, add a little water or stock. Chicken should be done in 40 minutes. Step 5. Garnish with chopped green coriander. Serve with rice. Step 6. Chicken could be substituted for duck or goat curry. Goat takes a longer time to cook, at least an hour. Enjoy! Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.